back to my channel. It's your girl IJ, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to preserve your plantain, yam, spinach, moi moi leaf. I don't really know the name, but I know it as moi moi leaf anyway, ugu, and your fresh pepper. So what I'm about to do, I'm going to cut my yam in the shape and size I want it to be, and as well my plantain. My spinach is neatly washed, my moi moi leaf is neatly washed, my ugu and my fresh pepper, they are all neatly washed. I want this video to be short, so let's proceed. My yam is neatly washed, so what I'm about to do is to put my yam out in a flat surface and allow it to dry for 20 to 30 minutes. So next is the plantain. I'm going to put the plantain here, spread it out, and put them in the freezer. And then I'll leave it for 4 to 5 hours. And then bring it out and package it in my food bag. So this is going to the freezer for 4 hours. So I'm going to be using this bag. I bought it in Sainsbury's to pack my yam and then put the yam in the freezer. So I'm done preparing my moi moi leaf, my spinach, my ugu, and my fresh pepper. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put them in the freezer. So that is it. So you don't have to worry about your pepper getting spoiled. Each time you want to use it, you just bring it out of the freezer and use it. And your vegetable as well. Each time you want to use it for cooking, it's still fresh and nice. My plantain is more than 4 hours in the freezer. And now it's time for me to pack it in my food storage bag. Okay, I'm done with everything. My plantain is still nice and neat. If you want to fry this plantain, you don't need to defrost it. You just put it straight to the oil when the oil is hot. This is my yam. If you want to cook the yam, you don't need to defrost it as well. What you need to do is to allow your water to boil, and then you put your yam. If you want to cook porridge yam, same method. You allow your water to boil. You put your frozen yam, followed by your ingredients. So this is my spinach. This is my ugu. And of course my moi moi leaf. I just brought it out from the freezer to show you how it looks. It's still nice. So you don't need to waste your moi moi leaf each time you have leftover. So you can still keep it and use it again. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your family and friends. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you get this video through WhatsApp or Facebook and you want to show me love by liking or commenting on this video, please click on the link on top of the video or under the video. It will take you to my YouTube channel page where you can like, comment, and also share this video with your family and friends. And of course, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to click that bell icon there to get notified each time I upload a new video. See you on my next one. Bye.